Walgreens deals of the week. Now I have another transaction that you guys can do, and you're going to get these items, each one for less than $1. Less than $1 each one is such an amazing deal. Plus, look at these huge jugs, 70 ounces of Dawn. I'm super excited. But before we get started, don't forget to like and follow so that you can continue to receive notifications when I upload these videos. It's taking me a little bit longer to upload videos for you guys in the past couple of days because for some reason this app is not allowing me to record with my camera and then upload the videos for you guys. I have to directly do it from the app or else you won't see anything. So bear with me as I figure this thing out because it's hard for me to record from the app all the time. Anyway, like and follow for more videos. Don't forget to share so that more people could enjoy the savings just like you and I. And let's get started. I picked up 2 of the Axe products for $5 each for a total of $10. There is a $7 digital coupon, super high value coupon, and you're going to end up paying $3 for both, or basically $1.50 for each one. And before I continue, one more thing, I did use 2 perks. I used a digital perk of spend 35, get 7 into your account, and then I used a paper perk of spend 35, I think it's the same thing. Spend 35 and get 7 back into the account. So if you don't have those 2, your price will be a little bit different. But the fact that it's so low, if you do have it, it's not going to be so much more if you're just missing like 1 perk. Okay, so let's get into this. The Colgates are $5 for each one for a total of $10. And then there's a $4 digital coupon that comes off. You'll have to pay $6 if you were to do it by itself. And then you would get back $5 in a register reward, making them both for $1 or 50 cents each. Now, the Dawn is 2 for $16, which is already a good price for that because they're normally more expensive. They're normally, I believe, it's like $11.99 each. So you're saving like $4 already on each one of them. However, there are no digital coupons or you don't get something back on them because they're already at a low price or one of the lowest prices. So, but when you put it into this transaction, you're going to get it for less than $1 each, like I mentioned. So again, all of these products are on sale. They're coming out to $36 for everything. And here's my receipt. $36 for everything. Here are the Dawn for $16, $10 for the Axe, and $10 for the Colgate. This over here means that I used that paper perk that I told you. I'll spend 35, get 7 back into the account, and then the digital one, and you're going to see in a minute how much I got back for those 2. So the $7 came off for the Axe, and the $4 came off for the Colgate. This $16, it wasn't a register reward or anything like that. It was a total of 4 register rewards that I printed out the other day. If you have seen my video, you would know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, it was that I did a transaction. I got 4 registered rewards for that transaction, and they printed out so light. It was like a pink, super pink ink that came out, but it was so light that you were unable to scan it. So the manager said that when I came back another time, which was today, give them all to her if she's there, or let the cashier know that she's approving it, and she came over and did so. But that's not included in how you're going to get it for less than 99 cents. That's just extra for me so that I paid even less than you guys are going to pay. If you have registered rewards, great. If not, let's continue to how you're going to get this for such a low price. So my total was 9 at the end, but your total will be 25 at the end. However, look at this, $14.36 I got back for this transaction, plus it generated the $5 register reward from the toothpaste that I mentioned that you're going to get back. So let's jump into the math. And again, don't forget to like and follow for more videos, but let's jump into the math right now. Let me just be back. All right, so we have the $16 for the 2 dish soap, the $10 for the 2 bath wash of Axe, and the $10 for the 2 Colgate toothpaste. Your total is $36, but you're going to get $7 in a digital coupon for the Axe and $4 for the toothpaste. $25, as I mentioned, will be what you would have to pay out of pocket, but you're going to get back a total of $14.36. One is a $7 for the digital perk. The other one is for the paper perk. And the 36 cents is that we get a percentage on what we purchase. So that would be 36 cents out of $36. So that's how you get 14 and 36 cents. And then you're going to take off the $5 from that register reward that we got back for the 2 toothpaste. At the end, your total would be $5.64 before taxes and after all your rewards and digital coupons have come off. When you divide that by the 6 items that we have over here, your total will be 94 cents for each product. So basically less than $1 for each one is such a great deal, considering that, again, even one of these on sale is already $8. So don't forget to like and follow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stick around for more to come. Don't forget to smile, and until the next one.